Yellow radio.
Hello, 122. You're still down here in West Texas, loud and proud.
Well, I'm trying. You know, my coax goes all the way down there to Texas.
Wonder what happened to all the other radios out there. There's nobody. Nobody at all.
I don't know. I'm sure there will be.
You snuck over there and cut off all their antennas, Roger.
I do what I can. You know, up here in left field, you know.
122, the antenna bandit.
There you go.